Alright, in this tutorial we're going to cover path selection nodes, which allow us to choose a path with an integer index within our dialog. So to get started, let's go ahead and create a new dialog asset by going to Create, EasyTalk Dialogue, and open that up in the editor by double-clicking it. And we're just going to initially create a entry and exit node, move those over here like this. And now we're going to create a path select node. So hold Alt and click path select and connect that to the entry node like so. And then we have two paths to start out with as the default, but we can create other paths by clicking on the plus, or we can click the minus buttons to remove an option. But we're going to go with 3 paths here. And then I'm going to just go ahead and create 3 different conversation nodes. So click Convo 3 times, and now we have 3 conversation nodes. And I'm going to just move these over here a little bit. And connect each one to one of the paths of the path select node. Then we're going to just write in here path 1, path 2, and path 3. And connect all of those to your exit. Okay, and you notice that the default value here is 0. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to go and make sure that my dialog asset is set on my dialog controller here, and then click play. And you'll notice that it shows that we went down path 1 because that's the dialog that it's showing. And that is because, again, our value here is 0. But if I set it to 1, and then I save this again, then we should see that it chooses the second path, the one with index 1, because we start out at index 0. So it says path 2 now. So you can use this to control which path the dialog goes down based on a variable within your game or within a dialog. So for example, if I create an integer variable here, and then I just tie this into the index value for the input of this node, then I can control that here, or I can control it with a script by calling set variable on the dialog controller. So I'm just going to set this to 2 and save this. And now we should see path 3 whenever we play the dialog. There you go. So this path select node can really allow you to create some very advanced branching dialogue. But that's all we've got to cover for this tutorial. Hope you learned something, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.